Aloha. My name is John Fern, and I live on the windward side of the island of Oahu in Hawaii. I decided to attend the Drone Command Live seminar to help support my transition from solely employee to a business owner so that I may pursue my passions for action outdoor videography and photography, and also wildlife photography, but while most importantly, offering new perspectives to customers, all while enjoying myself and giving myself more control over my time so that I may enjoy the rest of my life with family and friends. I'd say one of the most important takeaways really has to do with strategic marketing and focusing more on the messaging than just the media that you're delivering those important messages through. One of the most important lessons that I've learned thus far in the training is what is to ensure that customers understand who I am and why I can make a difference for them in what they're doing. Um, the instructors really are truly inspirational, I think, from the standpoint that they're um, they're delivering important messages and training related to establishing a business with a refreshing perspective. And they do so in a very practical manner that's memorable and meaningful. And so it resonates with me. And I think that's really important for any training. Mahalo nui loa for hosting and delivering such a successful program. I'm really eager to learn more. Aloha, John Fern from Oahu, Hawaii. Okay, we're into day two of Drone Command Live. Thus far, I found this seminar to be very valuable in many ways. If you've ever thought about setting up your own drone company and you just haven't done it yet, I highly recommend you sign up for the next course. It will empower you to fulfill your dreams of starting and maintaining your very own drone business so that you can lead a more fulfilling and happy life. Aloha, John Fern here from Oahu, Hawaii. Hey, I just wanted to really express my thanks to Damon and Diego and the rest of the Drone Command Live team for all the great wisdom that they provided during this 3 day seminar. Fantastic stuff. I highly recommend it. Sign up for the next course. You won't be sorry about that. Learned a lot of things about starting a business and sustaining that business and growing that business. And that's what we're covering today on day three. Um, I'm going to miss the 5 o'clock wake up call here in Hawaii. Maybe not, but it again, well worth it, and highly recommend that you go ahead and you sign up for the class. You really will not regret it. There's nothing to regret about something that's as valuable as this. So really enjoyed it. Going to put it to great use, and yeah, be able to spend more time with family, friends, and really enjoy um, the fruits of my labor a lot more than working on an hourly basis. So, with that said, thanks again, and good luck to everyone else. Aloha.